Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable react and reply to specific message on Instagram direct message. So if I go here and tap on message and open any message here, you will find I can't. If I go and tap on this, it will have no option to reply with reacts, or I can't swipe to reply to this specific message. If I swipe, it didn't give me any option. So how to enable reply and reacts to this message? We go back and go to our profile and tap on three lines on top right here, and to go you will find this update messaging. We tap on it. So you see here it says there is a new way to message on Instagram. React with any emoji and swipe to reply to message. So we go and update, but before you update you must read this. When you update, the old version won't be available. So if you want to enable react and reply, you must update. I will update it with you now. So we click on update. So you must link it to an Facebook account and just type in skip. Now if you go to our message here and go here, we can now swipe to right to reply this specific message. We can react to any message by just long tap on it, or just we can swipe to right to reply to it. You can reply to your messages too if you swipe it to left and type anything, then you can reply to these messages. Thanks for watching. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe to our channel.